Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of Prompt Engineering Real Life Examples module, where in this video today we'll be discussing our second example, which is use of ChatGPT in social media platform. And it can be used in blogs, posts, scripts, and etc. So let's just say if you are a social media influencer, if you are an Instagrammer, any content creator, now it's gotten a lot better because you can use ChatGPT to write your blog. You can use ChatGPT now to create posts for you in a very unique and efficient way. And if you are a YouTuber or any content creator, you can now write the whole scripts of your video or content that you want to upload and make for your audience. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just dive right into our practical lab example where I'll be showing you guys how you can implement those in ChatGPT. So let's go. Alright, so for our very first example, let's just say if you are an Instagram influencer or user and you want to write blogs for your audience. And for this example, I've prompted ChatGPT to write me a blog related to a topic of healthy food for my Instagram audience. So let's just hit enter and see what kind of output is going to give it to us. Alright, so yeah, as you guys can see, it just created a very beautiful structured blog for me with some introduction and some heading, the power of whole foods, balancing macronutrients, and mindful eating, and all other those important headings and topic that should be included in the blog of healthy food. So this is actually a very useful technique. Without this ChatGPT, I had no idea about healthy food, how to write it, how to structure it, unless I had to do a lot of research on that. But you know, with the help of this ChatGPT, it has done my work of hours with just one click. So yeah, moving forward, let's just go for our second example, which I told you. Let's just say if you are any content creator, or if you have any Facebook account, or any if you have any Twitter account and you want to create a very unique post on some specific topic to just impress your audience. So how you can use ChatGPT for that? Alright, so for that I gave an example: create a post for my Twitter audience on the topic of global warming. So let's just see what output is going to give it to us. Alright, so yeah, as you guys can see, it's created a very beautiful post for us with all those cute emojis and everything, and how good it's looking to our eyes. It's very structural with very beautiful headings and all those important points as well that should be there on the post of topics such as global warming. And yeah, moving forward, let's just go to our third example, which was let's just say if you are a YouTuber or content creator and you want to make your videos but you're not good at scripting and all. So how you can use ChatGPT to make you the whole, literally all A to Z script for your YouTube videos. So in this example, I have prompted ChatGPT to make me a script for my YouTube video on topic use of technology in 2023. So let's just see what script is going to provide us. Alright, so as you guys can see from this whole output, it just created a very hierarchical script for us. It's just opening shot you'll be standing in front of a modern background, and second segment will be the rise of artificial intelligence. Then it just gave us few of the segments as well. Then it also provide few of the in-between action that we need to perform to make our video more engaging to our audience. So it's a cut to footage of AI-powered detailed devices in action. Then we have segment 2 of that, segment 3, 4, and then we have the closing shot along with some instruction of end screen with links to subscribe and previous videos. So yeah, as you guys can see how useful and how unique this feature of ChatGPT is. So now you don't have to worry about doing the scripting and all. Obviously you don't need to copy all of that. You can take a very good help from ChatGPT to make your script, and you can always edit that according to your situation or need. But still, this is a very useful and a very important feature of ChatGPT. So yeah, that will be it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it, and I'll be back with more real life examples of prompt engineering, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.